This here is your camshaft retainer. It is also a thrust bearing, so it stops your cam moving backwards and forwards. So what can happen with these is the bearings get grooves in them, which can make them quite difficult to get out. So I may have to leave that in until I get the crank out. Nope, here she comes. Okay. So this bearing here with the groove, it can make it quite difficult. Catches on the lip, and that actual bearing can make it difficult to get that cam out. Can see where the hardening has taken a hit. Even if I was going to rebuild this engine, I'd never use this cam. All the hardening on the lobes looks ruined. Can see where it's got hot. Different things can cause this: engine overheating, wrong oil. Okay. Crack all these head bolts. So the head should be cracked in a certain order. I think it's the reverse of what the head gets installed. So if you look in your manual, it should show you. It's basically work your way in a circle from the inside out, and then when you'd refit your head, you work from the inside out again. Oh, this is going to be fun. Oh, nice and tight. These are torque to yield bolts, so once they've been used once, they're no good. Wow, that one was loose. I haven't cracked that one yet. So if that's the cylinder that had water in it, I don't think it is. I think the one at the front. We'll soon find out anyway. Yep, loose. Alright. Possible head gasket issues there. Doesn't actually look too bad. Apart from finding a loose, quite literally a loose bolt, so these are remanufactured heads by the looks. Okay. Might have to go around this side. Wow, another loose one. Jeez. Another loose one. Wow. So that's 3 loose bolts. That's good. God. Alright, so 2 loose bolts, I think, with that one and that one. Be a very big issue. this head off. That cylinder there looks like an issue. Alright. So that's oil. Maybe it's from this not being torqued down correctly. Don't know what's going on there. Part of the head gasket's missing. It's always a bad thing. We'll note there's a helicoiled thread in there, helicoiled thread in there, helicoiled thread in there. That one may be helicoiled. And that's helicoiled as well. Just going off that, I wouldn't reuse this block. Loose bolts, stuffed threads. Might be repairable. Alright. Torch. So that may have been leaking engine oil in for a while, quite possibly. The bores don't look very good at all. So overall, I don't think this engine is probably worth reusing, considering there's damages to these head threads. I'd say that it's probably not a good idea to reuse it. There's a whole piece of head gasket missing there. Yeah, the heads probably look alright. Probably keep the heads. They might clean up pretty good. Considering the reman ones, the valves probably all pretty good. But yeah, we'll clean them up and see how they go. I'll work on getting that crank out.